I am back, and can you look at my face? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I am going to be testing out the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse Foundation. So I'm starting a series here in my channel where I test different drugstore products on every Thursday, and I'm calling the series It's All About Drugstore Thursday. So yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm starting a new series. So my videos are going to be 2 times a week from today, on every Thursdays at 10 a.m. and then Mondays at 10 a.m. So let's get right into the review. So I already moisturized my face. So for primer, I am using this primer right here, Professional from Benefit. Honestly, I'm not able to find a good primer that is as pore-filling as the Benefit primer. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know, because I would love to know what that is. Primer is all over my face. Let's go ahead and do the foundation. So I think the shade that I picked up is 1 shade darker than my skin tone. I picked up the shade Honey Beige, medium 4. I think it is a bit darker than my skin tone, but I think this is going to work for the summer because I get tanned very easily. So this is the shade. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's a bit darker, but that's okay. We're going to work with it. I'm going to put this on our face. Okay, so I'm going to apply this product evenly on my skin. This product, you guys, is super soft. It almost feels like ice cream. I want to eat it. So on one side of my face, I'm going to use my fingers to blend it in. And on the other side, I'm going to use my beauty blender just to see how well it blends with a beauty blender and my finger. Okay, so on this side of my face, I'm going to use my finger, and on the other side, I'm going to use a beauty blender. So let me blend. Oh my god, it feels like butter. Actually, you know what, guys? The shade that I picked is not bad at all. Like, works. It's not bad at all. It's not dark. I think it's a perfect color. Oh, I'm glad I picked this color rather than the one lighter. Oh my god. Can you see it? Sorry, I'm just looking at the viewfinder here. Can you see it? It's such a nice... Just gonna blend that to my neck as well. It blends beautiful with your fingers. So on this side of my face, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I would use my finger for this foundation because for some reason this foundation is making me hungry. Oh my god, it feels like, it tastes so good. It blends so good. It looks like my second skin, you guys. It's so good. It's full coverage. I don't want to say full coverage, medium to full coverage. I still can see some spots of my skin, like some black spots, my acne spots peeking through the foundation, but I don't mind that at all because I don't like a full coverage foundation anyways. But I think if you do not have like acne scars like me, and if you have like closer to perfect skin, this is like a full coverage deal. But you have a skin like me, like problematic skin, then this is going to be like a medium to full coverage. But I don't want to, you can always build the coverage as well, but I don't want to do it because I don't like it. Alright, so I'm gonna do rest of my makeup, throw some concealer on, do my blush and all of that, all of those good things, and then I'll check in with you in a moment. Oh my god! I am back, and can you look at my face? It is a 16-hour long wear foundation and it dries down matte. Super awesome for oily or normal to oily skin tone, and this kind of dries down to a medium full coverage foundation or medium full coverage look, which I'm all about. I like some medium coverage look. I don't like to go like full coverage, but damn, look at my face. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Give you guys a close-up. Yeah, you can still see the keloids, but hello. It's like a whipped cream consistency. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a couple of hours since I started wearing this foundation. It's holding up really good so far. It's super hot in here, but my foundation is not melting down or anything. Okay, so going good so far. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna do check-ins, I don't know, maybe after a couple and see how it is going, but yeah, so I'm gonna go pick my lucky boy. Had a grooming appointment, so hopefully he's doing good. Well, he likes doing spa, so anyway, so I'm gonna go pick him up. Hopefully he's not mad at me because it's a new dog spa that I sent him to today, because the other one was not, like, I didn't get an appointment. So whatever, foundation is holding up so far. It's so good. Big thumbs up to Maybelline Mousse foundation. I'm gonna check in with you in a couple of hours and see how that goes. See ya. Did you miss mama? Did you miss mama? Look at, I think he looks great. You're handsome. Oh my little boy. So, the groomer that we went to, she's such an amazing groomer. She did a great job. He looks like a little teddy bear. You did great. You did great. Okay guys, so for foundation, it's holding up so far so good. I'm not oily at all. This foundation is, there's something about this foundation is not making me oily, or it's not making me, you know, some foundations kind of accentuate my pores, and also it kind of brings forward my texture. As you all may already know, I have super textured skin, so any foundation that's gonna hide the texture, I am up for it. So going good so far. I'm gonna check in with you guys in a bit. I have to head on to the gym and have booked a yoga class today. You know what? So this is funny, guys. So this is super funny that I always make fun of those chicks that comes to the gym or a yoga class with full face of makeup, and I was like, oh, what these girls are doing with full face of makeup. And today I'm gonna go to the gym with the full face of makeup, and I think it is hot yoga today. And I'm pretty positive that the foundation is gonna melt away after 1 hour of yoga class, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys in a couple hours and see how it is going. Bye. Okay, so just got out of the gym. I got oily around the nose and a little bit this part of my nose as well. But other than that, looks great. looks like my skin. Actually, I got a compliment from one of the instructors there saying my skin was looking great, which is a bonus. Okay guys, so it is the end of the day. I have to take my makeup off at this point. It's already 9 p.m. So my final thoughts about this product is actually very positive. I had only like one or two negative comments to make, but it's not really negative, but you know, some of the things that Maybelline can improve on. So my positive comments about this product, the consistency of this product is really good. It just melts into your skin. It looks like a second skin and nothing more. If you're this kind of a person like me who does not like a cakey foundation or the look of a, you know, like just a painted face, if I will, then this foundation is for you. You can definitely build this up into a full coverage. Foundation works perfect if you have normal to oily skin or even combination skin like me, because I get oily in my T-zone area, and this foundation works really good. And foundation is really nice if you have sensitive skin as well. Formula really works with sensitive skin, and also, as I said before, this is a non-comedogenic product. That means it will not clog your pores. It will not cause breakouts or acne, which is a bonus for us problem skin girls out there. So those are some of the thoughts. It is a long wear foundation. It's supposed to be 16-hour long wear foundation, but I wore it only for less than 8 hours, and it held up pretty decent compared to the longevity of this product. The only other thing I would like to point out is that my nose, around my nose area, got a little bit oily after a few hours. I was not sitting inside like in an air-conditioned space. I was going out. I did workout, so I did a whole bunch of things. I was out in the sun, so yeah, so I did a whole bunch of things that can bleed my foundation. But that being said, all of that being done, the foundation still held up pretty good, which is I was not too big fan of is the price point of this product. This product retails for $15.99. The shade range is not very good, at least for us brown skin or deeper skin girls. They don't have a good shade variety there. The shade that I picked is medium 4. I think this is the darkest shade they have, and I want to say I'm saying wrong, because this is such a good foundation, and if they have like a wider shade range, that would be so much amazing. But I don't know if it is just I did not find those in the aisle, or if they ran out of it. I don't know, but in my understanding, the shade range is not very vast. So to conclude, I'm gonna give this product 8 out of 10 because I love the product. I love the consistency. I love the finish. I love how it blends. I love how other products sit on my skin along with this product. It does not budge. It does not bleed. Is such an amazing product. The only thing that you guys can work on, Maybelline, if you're seeing this, I'm a small YouTuber, but still, if you're seeing this, is on the shade range. Such an amazing job. Please keep up the good work. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and short but a little bit long video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the world to me. So until we see you again next time in another video, bye.